Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking what's actually taking space. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and scan the top offenders. Once done, enable Offload Unused apps so iOS removes app binaries but keeps your data. Next, follow recommendations. Delete large message attachments and old conversations now. Make sure to tap Review Large Attachments and remove videos first, since they consume the most space. You're starting with targeted actions that free immediate gigabytes without a full backup or restore. Now move into deeper cleaning where you reclaim persistent storage. In Photos, enable Optimize iPhone Storage so full-resolution items live in iCloud while smaller versions stay local. For heavy apps, check in-app storage settings or reinstall apps to purge caches. That's faster than hunting files. For messages, delete threads with large videos and set messages to auto-delete after 30 days or 1 year. Also clear Safari cache and offline content. These steps reduce background bloat and keep free space. Finish by consolidating changes. Restart your iPhone to let the system recalculate storage and install any pending iOS updates that trim temporary files. Back up to iCloud or a computer, then remove old device backups that linger in settings. If the storage numbers don't update, make sure you empty recently deleted in Photos and Files. If that fails, force restart and, as a last resort, reset settings. This preserves data but clears misbehaving caches. That troubleshooting step usually fixes stuck storage reports.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.